Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my Buyers List Bonanza review. Now this launches on the 27th of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time, and I'm inside the members area here. I'm going to give you a run through of what's inside. But in a nutshell, Buyers List Bonanza is a product which is going to show you how to build your affiliate marketing business the correct way from the ground up by building a buyers list. Now if you haven't got a list of buyers, well, you haven't got a business basically. So these guys, who's John Newman and Cynthia Benitez, who are my colleagues from the Ministry of Freedom, I know these guys very well. I've watched their progress and they're really taking things to the next level. This is their second product launch. The first one was very successful. And this one is just the same. It's cram-packed with quality information and guidance. They're going to take you by the hand and show you how to build this buyers list that's going to pay you over and over in the future. So if this is something that's going to interest you, if you stay with me to the end of this video, I've put together some high quality custom bonuses that are only available through my link, which is the first link in the description below this YouTube video. My link will take you to my bonus page here, where you'll be able to scroll down and click on any of the big yellow buttons on my page. That will then take you over to the sales page, and again click on the congruent yellow button to get instant access of Buyers List Bonanza and all my bonuses. The only thing you will have to do is get yourself back to my bonus page before this countdown timer reaches 0, because when that happens my bonuses will expire, and unfortunately but I don't want you to miss out on them because they are special bonuses. I've put these together to perfectly complement your purchase of Buyers List Bonanza today, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on these because they're not going to be available from any other affiliate. So I will take you through the bonuses now, which you're going to get all my bonuses here just by buying the front end of Buyers List Bonanza for $12.95. So it's a very reasonable price, and so you're going to get these quality bonuses all free of charge with your purchase. So they're well worth buying, because they're really going to help you. Once you've accessed Buyers List Bonanza and you put the training into being, then these are really going to help you on top of that and build your business. So bonus number 1 is the art of email marketing. Well, Buyers List Bonanza is going to show you how to build a list of buyers, and this bonus is going to show you how to look after that list in the future by email marketing the correct way. So it's going to be a valuable bonus to go with that. Then bonus number 2 is going to show you how to get viral traffic and also help building your email list, which is going to take it to the next level for you with your purchase of Buyers List Bonanza. This again fits perfectly with that. Bonus number 3, and this shows you how to build your list really fast and really multiply the list that you've got of buyers, and this is going to be a valuable tutorial to help you with that. And then bonus number 4, the 10K email manifesto. Again, it's another email course which you're just going to have so much information on emails. You become a master of email marketing once you've gone through these bonuses along with Buyers List Bonanza. And bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of the vendor bonuses by buying through my link today, as I say, which is the first link in the description below this YouTube video. So you can click on any of the big yellow buttons, and then just make sure you do that before the countdown timer expires. But you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus receipt page, where you just click on the big blue button on that page, and then you will get all my bonuses delivered instantly to you just by buying the front end of Buyers List Bonanza for $12.95. So we'll have a look at the sales page now. As I say, once you click on the yellow button on my bonus page, You'll be taken to the sales page, and this is the sales page here. So this is for even for total beginners, and they're making great money with this copy and paste, our own multiple passive income stream system that pays us over 10k per month. And these guys, that's what they're making. They say, I've watched their progress in the Ministry of Freedom, what they've learned in that they're implementing and putting it into this course for you today. So it's a unique method that's working right now. It's 100% beginner friendly. So multiple income streams are built in, and it includes a secret resource for free sales on autopilot. And it's copy and paste, easy for fast results. So you're going to get some proof of these guys' earnings. These are the Warrior Plus accounts of Cynthia and John, saying I've seen their progress they're making. They're making really good money over the last 6 months. They've really come on, and what they've learned they're going to show you in this course. These are the guys here, and then say Buyers List Bonanza is a quality product packed with lots of information, and going to show you how to build your business the correct way. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this now. I'm just going to show you inside the members area. It's very important that I do that. So inside here I can show you all the quality, and all the content that's in here is fantastic, really. So you're going to get a welcome from John. This is John, my colleague from the Ministry of Freedom, as I say. Really coming on well as an affiliate marketer, and he's going to impart all the knowledge that he's learned within this course with Cynthia. So you're going to get the welcome and the orientation, and then module 2 contains all the training. So the overview of the methods, setting up your landing page, your thank you page setup, picking your offers, setting up the rotator, email follow-ups, then sending traffic and segmenting your buyers, keeping your list clean, join the list building and traffic group. So some bags of content, and they're all done in over-the-shoulder videos, very easy to follow. Then you've got case studies, 2 case studies here, then the conclusion, and then you're going to get bonuses from these guys as well, and there's unannounced bonuses also, and the resources and upgrades. So it's jam-packed with value and quality, and as I say, just for $12.95 is an absolute bargain. There are some upsells. I'll show you what they are now. You don't need to buy these, but I'm sure they're going to be a valuable addition, and again complement your purchase of Buyers List Bonanza today. So the front end of Buyers List Bonanza, $12.95. And don't forget all my bonuses, though these bonuses here completely free of charge, that are going to be well worth having just for that price. It's just an amazing value product. Upsell number 1, Buyers List Bonanza Pro. So it's $47 with a downsell of $37. Advanced training, where we show you everything that's worked for us since we started online in 2014. Includes free and paid traffic strategies and insider secrets to the affiliate marketing game, including a case study as well. Upsell number 2, Buyers List Bonanza Done For You 365, $67 with a downsell of $47. You get done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days, plus one-time funnel and email swipes, and that's a really good value bonus. So that's certainly, I would recommend picking that one up. Upsell number 3, Steal Our Traffic for $197 with a downsell of $97. Put your pixel on the sales pages of our previous products from 2020, as well as the future products in the next 12 months, and build up a huge audience of proven buyers. So again, that's one worth considering. Upsell number 4, Buyers List Bonanza Triple Reseller Rights, $67 with a downsell of $47. Sell Buyers List Bonanza as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as previous products, the collector and 10x commission machine. Comes with guaranteed approval to promote, and ideal for new people. So upsell number 5, Buyers List Bonanza Coaching, $197 with a downsell of $147. You receive a 1-hour Skype Zoom coaching strategy session with them, and you have ongoing Facebook group support will help you create a focus plan and anything else regarding your internet marketing. So all in all, if you pick up Buyers List Bonanza today, I'm sure you're going to get absolute top value from this product, and it's going to be well worth it. You'll be in good hands. You're going to learn so much, and it's going to really help you take your business to the next level. So that concludes my review of Buyers List Bonanza, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.